Hi, I'm Jasmine Wright from Real Estate 88. Welcome to The Point, Finbar's newest landmark development, located in Rivervale's waterside precinct, the Springs. The Point offers 167 thoughtfully designed apartments spread over 19 levels, with 9 ground floor commercial spaces and an amenities level for all residents to enjoy. With stunning views and stylish open plan living spaces, The Point has something for everyone. Modern design, urban convenience, and a vibrant Rivervale lifestyle come together seamlessly at The Point. Standing tall with its sleek, modern architecture, The Point seamlessly integrates into Rivervale's urban landscape, offering a striking visual statement. Featuring thoughtfully created public art installations that enhance the community's vibrant atmosphere, this isn't just a place to live, it's where home, community, and opportunity align. Whether you're searching for a new home or a prime investment opportunity, you've arrived at the perfect spot. Each apartment at The Point is meticulously designed to blend style with practicality, with spacious layouts featuring impressive 2.6 metre high ceilings, quality finishes, sleek hybrid flooring, and expansive windows that invite natural light. You'll feel at home from the moment you step inside. The gourmet kitchens, complete with glass splashbacks, Bosch appliances, and smart lighting, are perfect for those who enjoy both cooking and entertaining. The apartments also feature double glazed windows which provide insulation, reduce noise pollution, and keep the temperature comfortable all year round. The Point also boasts an impressive lineup of amenities designed to enrich your daily life and elevate your living experience. On level 3, you'll find a state-of-the-art gym, fully equipped to cater to every workout need. After a session at the gym, step into the rejuvenating sauna or steam room, the perfect spots to relax and unwind, letting the day's stresses melt away. The Residence Lounge offers a chic and comfortable environment for casual get-togethers or quiet relaxation, while those who enjoy a bit of friendly competition can take advantage of the games room. Outdoors, the 23-metre heated swimming pool is a stunning centrepiece, ideal for swimming laps or simply lounging by the water. The poolside cabana invites you to soak up the sun in style. Step outside and you're instantly immersed in the energy and charm of Rivervale. The Point sits right on the doorstep of some of our most sought-after landmarks and locations. Join the hum of the crowd as you watch a game at Optus Stadium. Soak up the lights and glamour of the Crown Resort and Casino. Enjoy the dining and retail options in the bustling Victoria Park Cafe Strip, or experience the outdoors with picturesque cycling and walking trails around the Swan River. And for those everyday cravings, you're just moments away from a variety of local favourites, including a vibrant pizzeria, a trendy sushi spot, and a cosy cafe perfect for your morning pick-me-up or catching up with friends. Whether it's entertainment, shopping, healthcare or recreation, everything you need is within easy reach at The Point. Don't just imagine a better lifestyle, experience it at The Point. Discover a place where modern living meets exceptional quality. Your new home awaits. The life you've been dreaming of is right on Point. To find out more, visit our website, thepointsprings.com.au.